In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to Google Ads, a valuable skill for anyone managing marketing campaigns or working in digital marketing. This process allows you to collaborate effectively by granting access to others who can then manage or view your Google Ads campaigns depending on the access level you provide. Let's make the process of sharing your Google Ads account as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll need to navigate your way to Google Ads. To do this, simply type Google Ads into your preferred search engine or enter the URL directly into your browser. Once there, you'll be greeted by the Google Ads overview page. This is your control center where you can manage all aspects of your advertising campaigns. Now, to add a new user to your account, you'll need to access the admin settings. Look for the admin option, which should be fairly visible on your Google Ads dashboard. If you're having trouble finding it, remember that the layout can vary slightly depending on any updates or the device you're using, so keep an eye out for anything that mentions administrative settings or similar terminology. After locating the admin settings, your next step is to find the access and security section. This is where Google Ads allows you to control who has access to your account and to what extent. The navigation here is quite intuitive. Google has designed these sections with user friendliness in mind, knowing that not everyone is a tech wizard. The access and security area will be clearly marked, so click on that to proceed. Inside access and security, you'll see a button or icon that looks like a plus symbol. This is your gateway to adding a new user. Clicking on this icon will open up the options for you to enter the details of the person you want to add to your Google Ads account. It's all quite straightforward from here. You'll then be prompted to type in the email address of the person you want to grant access to. Make sure you double check the email address for typos, because an incorrect email could mean giving access to the wrong person or simply failing to add your intended user. After entering the email address, it's time to decide on the level of access you want this new user to have. Google Ads offers various tiers of access, ranging from administrative rights, which allow for full access and control over the account, to read-only access, which is ideal for users who only need to view campaigns and reports but not make any changes. Consider the role of the person you're adding carefully, and choose the access level that suits their needs and your comfort level. There's no one-size-fits-all answer here, so weigh the options based on your specific situation. Once you've selected the appropriate access level, the final step is to send the invitation. Look for a button or link that says "Send Invitation" or something along those lines. Clicking this will send an email to the intended user, inviting them to join your Google Ads account with the access level you've assigned. They'll need to accept the invitation to complete the process, so it might be a good idea to give them a heads up, ensuring they know to look out for the email and understand that it's not spam. And that's it. Once the new user accepts their invitation, they'll have access to your Google Ads account at the level you specified. Adding users to your Google Ads account allows for easier collaboration and management of your campaigns, ensuring that everyone who needs access has it, with the appropriate level of control. Remember to regularly review who has access to your Google Ads account and their levels of permission. It's good practice to keep this updated, removing access for users who no longer need it, and adjusting access levels based on current roles and responsibilities. Google Ads makes it easy to manage these permissions, helping you maintain the security and efficiency of your advertising efforts. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to manage user access on your Google Ads account, further streamlining your online advertising operations. Whether you're expanding your team or just starting out, understanding how to control access to your tools is crucial in the digital marketplace.